Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here with our update on Kucoin. We're using one of the bots and it has done spectacular for us. We can't complain with the current results we're seeing. But before we get to those results, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep on growing this channel, trying to make everyone profits. Now, Kucoin, the People's Exchange with over 700 different coins, with over 1,200 different trading pairs, and endless opportunities. When we go to the dashboard, the main feature I like about them, if you haven't started with crypto as of yet, they give you the option to deposit via Visa and MasterCard. So you don't need just crypto to deposit. But let's get to the trading side. Look at trade, going down to trading bot. The moment you click it, it will open this page. In the top left corner, it gives you the spot grid bots, your feature grid bots, your smart rebalance, your DCA, the one we'll be looking at today, and the infinity grid. All you need to do is go to the top right corner and click classic version. When you click classic version, it will open the page with all the different bots. Currently 8.5 million bots created worldwide and running on Kucoin, generating profit opportunities for everyone. Looking at them, you can create your bot here. But before we're gonna recreate our bots, let's see how they've been doing. Currently, the 4 we've been running. My first one, my DCA Bitcoin bot. I've invested $75 in this one, and I'm currently up $8.46, a profit of 11.26%. Looking at my Shiba Inu, I invested $17. Since I started making videos on this, it's now been day 17. I'm up close to $3. A profit of 17.48%. Looking at my BNB bot, up just over $2, up 12.71%. Yes, the market has gone in the right direction, which helps, but profit is profit. Looking at Ethereum USD, $5.50, up 32.33%. in the last 17 days, and I'm only investing $1 a day on all of them, generating the opportunities. 17 transactions, 17 days. But let's take profit and we'll restart all 4 these bots, our Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Shiba Inu. So let's start with Shiba Inu. Click the button and we'll go back into USDT, take my profit, and it's in my wallet the moment it stops. We'll give it a second to stop. Or let's cancel all of them because we want to start them again. We're going to cancel our BNB bot, taking everything back to USDT. Another unique feature. You have the opportunity of getting a split between BNB and USDT, or you can just convert it to your coin, or you can take your stable coin, which I prefer is taking everything back to my stable coins. And I'm going to do it on all of them. Taking profit, banking it, and generating my wallet to growth. All my bots has been stopped. Now I'm going back to my page where my trading bots is, and I'm going to start all 4 of them again. My DCA bot will start with, well, Shiba Inu is here. Shiba Inu, we're going to invest every day. We're going to invest right now, and we're going to do $1 a day. You have an option of putting the max amount you want to invest, and you have the option of taking profits. But I'm going to leave the profits open to do it on these videos the moment we've reached a nice amount of profit. And all we're doing here is we're creating the bot. As profit target 18%, I don't want that target. because I want to close it myself. So let's put it on 500%. And I'm putting it once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. And we're creating our bot. As we can see, Shiba Inu, amount per investment is $1. Invest every day, and we're starting right now. There we go. Our Shiba Inu bot has started. As you can see here on the top left corner, we're going to go back and we're going to start our next bot. The next one we're going to do is Bitcoin USD. Same principle. Every day, now $1 a day. And our advanced option, we're going to move to 500%. Once the target is reached, notify and sell all positions. Create our bot, confirm. And we can see our second bot is created. Going back yet again, because we need to create our other two bots, our Ethereum and our BNB bots still. Let's get to Ethereum. Ethereum USD. Every day, we're starting now $1 a day. And our advanced option, we're taking back to 500. And there we go. We're starting our Ethereum. So now we got 3 DCA bots running yet again. And we still need to start our final one, which is our BNB bot. Got our BNB bot going. Every day, $1 a day. Well, $1 a day in crypto keeps the doctor away. Getting it going. There we go. Create. And all 4 of bots are started. Now we're just going to wait for profits to get generated. Nice, easy way. Sitting back, making sure there's enough funds in my USD trading account, and let the bot works. It buys in every day and it averages the price out. Locking on, seeing profit, let a bot close the profit or take the profit. Keep growing your investment. And the major benefit is you can start with $1 a day, which makes it affordable for everyone. Now, if you haven't yet, remember, smash that like and subscribe button, and let's keep on building the crypto community. Have a great one and enjoy the crypto gains.